Hi, I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp. Today's May 11th, 2025, and it's Mother's Day. And at 1:22, turning 1:24 this morning, I started getting a poem from all us moms, from the Holy Spirit. So I'm just going to read it and put it out and just let it go out that way. Here's a poem for all the moms who sacrificed their lives to bless their children so they could fulfill them. The time they took to cook and to clean, even when their children thought they were being mean. Only the Father can understand her heart. It is all part of what we call love, which truly comes from up above. So on the day when all the moms are recognized for what they do to help the family make it through, let us all take a moment and say a special prayer and I think it's only fair, because whether you know it or not, a mom will never stop until she feels she has truly done her part. She is mom. She has her certain charm, and we are thankful for who she is. Let her know you love her for all of this. Thank you, moms. We understand all that you do, and you truly do help each of us get through. Thank you for being you. Love the spirit. Moms, hear it. So, I'm Lois Vogel-Sharp. Gary and I love you very, very much, and have a blessed Mother's Day.